what we're doing is showing the DC Matic model TL900 breaking loose flywheel bolts on a Cat, say again, what model?
3512.
Cat 3512. They've been hammering on this thing for a while, the pneumatic impact with no results. Now we're going to show them what the DC Matic does. Give her a rip. Boom, she's free. How long? Now, how long was it taking you before?
Well, I don't know. I couldn't get them loose.
Looky there.
Round battery?
I like it.
Not a bad deal, huh?
Well, that ain't worth $53,000.
We will edit out the $53,000 from the video, folks. That's not the real price. Have a great day.